my gas on.
Record. Oh. It's working.
Okay, so this is lycopodium powder, and lycopodium powder is like if lycopodium was in a chunk, it would not be flammable. But when it might be after a little while, but lycopodium powder is super, super fine, so it has a ton of surface area, so it's extremely flammable. So that when you throw it in a flame that's you're not holding in your hand, you can get it to light on fire.
That's what they used in Harry Potter, I bet.
They might have.
Like in the Goblet of Fire. That's genius. Good.
Just put out my flame. Okay. So what I've done is I put lycopodium powder inside my canister here, and there's a candle inside.
Having match trouble today?
I'm just having troubles, yeah. And I'm going to light the match.
You mean the candle?